Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. I will put about v equals to first derivative of y. So if we do first derivative for the both sides, and we have like this. This one we change by v. This one we change by first derivative of v. Next, we divide both sides by s. So we have v and first derivative of v. So we can use about integrating factor. So we can use about mu s equals to e to the power of the integration. We see that positive 1 over s next to v. This is for integrating factor. So I will put this one going here. And we have f and s. And this one we simplify, and you got about s. So we multiply both sides by s. Next, we can put the integration for the both sides. So we can use about the product rule of derivative. So we have first derivative of y equals to first derivative of a multiplied by b plus first derivative of b multiplied by 8. So we have first derivative of a multiplied by b. This one we have first derivative of b multiplied by 8. So the integration of this one, we have y equals to ab. So the integration of that one, we have vs. This one, that is about s squared over 2, and I will put about c. Now we divide both sides by s. Next, about v, that is about this one. Now we have the conditions. So when s equals to number 1, first derivative of y equals to number 1. Now we put number 1 going here and here, and this one going here to find the value of c. So c in here, that is about 1 over 2. So I will put 1 over 2 going here. Next, we need to put the integration for the both sides. So the integration of this one, we have y about s, we have s squared over 2. So we have s squared over number 4. And the next one, we have 1 over 2 Fn of the absolute value of s. And I will put about c. Now we have the second condition. That means when s equals to number 1, y equals to 1 over 2. So we put number 1 going here and here. 1 over 2 going here to find the value of c. So C equals to 1 over 4. So I will put 1 over 4 cone here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.